Welcome, today we're going to show you how to never lose your Uma Musume account again with this simple trick. So if you're trying to reroll and get good characters, but you don't want to lose the rolls or you don't want to lose the old account that you have, the first thing you need to do is to click on the menu on Steam as seen from here on the down right corner. After that, it will start like this. You need to tap on the three lines on the down right corner. After that, this menu will appear. So from here you need to delete your user data to make a new roles and make a new account with new free roles. So that will be very good for you, that you can actually delete your data and use a new account for new free roles. But if you don't want to lose your old roles or your old account, the first thing that you want to do is to data link your account. So you need to try to data link your account from here. Just click to data link and open the game from your phone to link the old account. After that, you need to delete your user data and re-roll again with a new account and see if your roles are better than the old ones. If you now have a better roles and everything, you can try to data link your account again, and from here you can try to data link your account again to save your data. So that's actually how you never lose your account. You just try to data link and save your game with the data link option, so that you will have a backup of your game. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.